How to make Shopify store 3D. I'm going to show you how you can easily make Shopify store 3D. First, visit the Shopify admin website on your web browser. Go to the Themes tab on the left menu bar. Now, click on the three dots icon and select the Edit Code option. On the left side, scroll down and go to the Sections folder. Next, click Add a new section and enter the name of the file. Name the file like video background, then click Done. You will see the code for the background here. Now open a new tab and search for mrdexter1 GitHub. Click to visit the GitHub website and there are different video backgrounds. Select the first file and copy the code written here. Next, go to the Shopify to paste the link in the given field. Click Save to make changes to your account. Then, go back and click the Customize button under the themes. After that, go to the Add a Section option on the left side. You can add different sections here and search for video background. Click on it and you will see the video background on this page. Then, go to the home page and click Content. Now select Files and upload files from your device. Go to the Products tab to add the product to your store. To add a product, you need to fulfill all the requirements on the form.